Alright, today we're going to go over the Stettler Dodge courtesy inspection that comes free with every vehicle that comes through the door. No matter what vehicle you're bringing in, whether it be a Dodge product, Ford product, Chev product, or any other make, we are going to do a free courtesy inspection for you. We'll go over various points on the vehicle and just give it a quick once over, then that way you'll be able to have peace of mind there as you're leaving, just in case we see anything that is a direct standout for any safety issues for you. If we do find that there is something we want to dig into a little bit deeper, we'll be able to offer you a Chrysler peace of mind service. But the courtesy inspection gives you a great little check over just to make sure that there's nothing outstanding there for you. Are good. I'm just going to keep following the exhaust all the way up. There's your exhaust. I'm going to check our CV axles, make sure the boot that there. There. Okay, then just check, make sure there's no leak there. No leaks there. And we'll go up forward now. Keep going. I'm just gonna check, and if you look up by the shocks here, this is your shock up there. You're gonna go over to the other side and do the same thing. Just like that. So you're gonna look at the transmission pans, make sure there's no leak that way. Look down through your sides there. Go over to your oil pan, make sure that there's no leaks. And now we've finished our Stettler Dodge courtesy inspection. We've found that everything is in check on this vehicle. The only thing to note is that we would recommend tire rotation. So we would provide a quote for the customer for that item, and then the customer would be able to choose whether or not they want to proceed with getting those tires rotated, because right now we've actually got less tread on the front than what we have on the back, and for caravans you want to make sure you have the most tread on your front tires.